This female elephant name is NamThip. She had an accident when she was little and didn't receive proper treatment. Not long after that, she lost part of her tail. She worked as a street beggar without a tail for more than 10 years. You might not know how important an elephant's tail is to their life. The main functions of their tails are swatting away flies and other bothersome insects, communicating with other elephants, such as flicking the tail to indicate a warning or aggression, balancing their large bodies when walking or running. Losing her tail has made her life harder and reminds her of the suffering in her past. However, now at the Elephant Nature Park, she always receives good food, can swim whenever she wants, and takes naps when she's full. Even though we provide her with all these comforts to help her body, her mind needs more time to heal